Most surprising space facts you've never heard of. 1. The light speed. Everyone enjoys daydreaming about traveling at the speed of light, which is approximately 299,792,458 meters per second, through the galaxy. Yet, when interacting with an item moving at light speed, the reality can be less amusing and much more lethal. The crew of a spaceship may easily be wiped out, and electronics could be destroyed in a matter of seconds, by hydrogen atoms' transformation into highly radioactive particles. A proton beam produced by the Huge Hadron Collider could be compared to merely a few stray hydrogen gas wisps wandering through space. 2. The Moon. Every year, the Moon, while the Earth's gravitational field should be enough to keep the Moon from spiraling into space forever, the increasing distance between it and the Earth will eventually slow our planet's rotation down to the point where a single day will take longer than a month and our ocean's tides will be locked in. 3. Black holes. Black holes are typically formed when massive stars die. Black holes are super-dense regions of space with so much gravitational pull that they trap light and warp time. If that wasn't scary enough, black holes can hurtle across the galaxy at several million miles per second, leaving trails of destruction in their wake. 4. Gamma rays. Gamma-ray bursts are intense high-frequency bursts of electromagnetic radiation that carry as much energy in milliseconds as our Sun will give off in its entire lifespan. If one of these rays were to hit Earth, it could strip the atmosphere of ozone in seconds, and some scientists even attribute a mass extinction 440 million years ago to gamma-ray bursts hitting Earth. 5. Zero gravity. Zero gravity, also known as microgravity, occurs when an object is in free fall and appears weightless. Although it may appear to be fun to float around like astronauts, prolonged time in zero-gravity conditions can have long-term mental and physical effects on humans. 6. Cold welding. Cold welding occurs when two metals of the same molecular makeup are pressed together and fused together permanently as if they were one piece. While on Earth, gases in the atmosphere react with metals to create a thin layer of oxidation. The vacuum of space, however, has no atmosphere and thus causes no oxidation to form on metals, leading to an interesting reaction. This reaction is called cold welding, and it occurs when two metals of the same molecular makeup are pressed together and fused together. 7. Life in universe. Life from another planet. According to Fermi's paradox, the universe is massive and extremely old, so the possibility of other planets similar to Earth evolving life is not at all unlikely. The high likelihood of extraterrestrial life in space contradicts the lack of visible evidence supporting it. We're not sure which is scarier, the possibility that we're not alone in the universe or the possibility that we are. 8. Rouge planets. Because they do not orbit a sun, rogue planets are planetary bodies that are free to roam the cosmos, crashing into things as they go. Rogue planets frequently have freezing surface temperatures, but due to their molten cores and icy insulation, some scientists believe that these free-roaming planets may have massive subterranean oceans that support life. 9. Apollo 11. In 1969, the Apollo 11 lunar module took 3 days to land on our own natural satellite, the Moon. Since then, our technology has advanced rapidly, and we could expect to reach Mars in 7 to 9 months, and Pluto in about 10 years. Distances outside of our solar system become even more extreme. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take us over 4 years to reach the nearest star, Alpha Centauri, and over 100,000 years to reacquaint ourselves with it. 10. Temperature in space. Temperature extremes. Depending on where you are in space, you may find yourself in some pretty extreme conditions. A supernova's heat can reach temperatures of 50 million degrees Celsius or higher, which is 5 times that of a nuclear explosion on the opposite end of the spectrum. The cosmic background temperature of space is -270 degrees Celsius, which is just slightly warmer than absolute zero, so bring a jacket.